exposing the Pokémon in real life. This isn't a video game. This wild new animal actually exists. Get ready for your next favorite creature. Meet the... Discovered deep in the jungles of Papua New Guinea, this tiny animal has round, bright eyes and neon blue stripes, just like your favorite Pokémon. It's got super bouncy legs that help it leap 5 times its own body length. Researchers say the puffhopper's colors help it hide from predators, and its hops make it hard to catch. The best part? Its call sounds like a cartoon booing. Scientists are still learning what this little jumper eats, but one thing's for sure, it's already stealing hearts. Who knew the real world could be so magical? If you want to see more wild discoveries like this, hit that like button and subscribe for your next adventure. Catch you next time, explorers.